Hello traders, in this video I'm going to share with you how I plan and withdraw profits for my forex trading account. This video could improve your style of trading. Continue watching. Should you even withdraw your forex trading profits, or withdraw partially and leave some in your forex trading account to trade with, or not even withdraw your profits but leave it for it to compound and trade with it, and later you can withdraw your profits? Which one should you do? Now, I'm a huge believer that you should only have the minimum capital that you can use to operate your trading account, or that you can use to trade your strategy best, plus a cushion in case anything goes wrong when you place your trades. So based on your strategy and your risk to reward ratio, let's say you need $2,000 to execute your trades based on a strategy you are using. Now you also need, let's say, about $500 just to serve as a cushion in case anything do not go the way you want in the market. This is the reason why you need extra cash or cushion to add to your trading capital in your trading account. Number one, there is a temptation for you to keep on increasing your position size, and still, that's my biggest problem. Some people say human beings are more emotional than logical. I may agree with them, because there's a point in time that every trader can go against his or her rules. That's the reason why you have to add a little bit cash or cushion to your capital so that it holds you in the trade and not blow your trading account. One other thing that I find traders a little bit hesitant to withdraw their cash from the broker account is the method of withdrawal. It's important to look at the withdrawal method of the broker before you even create an account and place your deposits over there to start trading. Know whether it's suitable for you to withdraw your cash at any point in time very easily and fast. So now let's get to the main deal, how I take my forex profits. Let's take a typical example. Let's say I deposit $500 in my trading account. What I do is that I set targets. So let's say I set my target that when my trading account gets to $700, that's $200 in profit. Immediately I get to $700, I'm going to take profit over there. And how much do I take profits? The $200 profits I've made. What I do is that I don't take 100% of the money in my trading account. Else, I'll just be trading with my $500 over and over again, and there's not going to be any growth in my forex trading account. I withdraw 80% of my profits. So 80% of $200 is $160. That's how much money I'm going to withdraw from my trading account. It will be left with $40 of my profits, and I'm going to add that to my $500, making my equity or my trading capital to be $540. So when I do this, it makes me grow my trading capital. So at any point in time I place a withdrawal order, I leave about 20% in my trading account so that my initial capital can be growing. And as human beings, as I said, we are emotional beings, and you also love to always increase your lot sizes. So it's also important to also grow your trading account. So you see that in a month or in a year, your initial capital will also be growing as you are also taking profits. Some people would like to take all their profits, that's 100% of their profits, coming back to their initial trading deposits, that's let's say $500. They will trade, make profits, and take 100% of their profits. So in this way, your trading capital is not growing. You always come back to the initial stage, but that's not how it's supposed to be. You need to have a plan that's going to increase your initial trading capital anytime you place a withdrawal order. Let me know in the comment section how you withdraw your profits in the forex markets. I hope this video is going to be informative for you in your trades. Like and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again, safe.